Hello everyone and welcome. The King is watching has got a new update, the Volcano update, which is available since 2 days ago. This new update brings in a new Volcano map, 17 new artifacts, 4 new advisors, improvements to the existing ones, 4 new troops that will be available throughout the entire game, and the soundtrack is also getting an update. There are 6 new bosses added, 20 new narratives, exclusive resources, and 9 new infernal barracks that you can build depending on the rewards you claim. New futures, new buildings. Yep. Let's play, guys. Honestly, for me, it's the first time playing this game. It's rather an interesting take to the real-time strategy games. It's an interesting real-time strategy game. King Baldwin. Boost production. Request tribute. Now I don't think graveyard unlocked after beating village at threat level 2 Volcano. Now this is what I want to play. Volcano. So let me skip to it. Let me play the first 2 maps so I can get to the Volcano map. Okay guys. Level 3. This is the Volcano update that was released. Let's play it. This is what I wanted to show you in this gameplay. Let's touch the ball. Ignahog, king of Cinder Wilds. From the burning slopes of the volcano strides, Ignahog, the colossal boar titan said to embody the fury of the Cinder Wilds. His hide is fissured with glowing magma veins, each breath escaping as a plume of smoke. And though titanic in size, he is never alone. His smaller hogs scamper ahead to sabotage supply lines, scout enemy positions, and perform cunning tricks no one expects from, well, a hog. In battle, Ignahog pounds the earth with such force that the ground splits, lava erupts, and the terrain itself rises against the living. Legends claim the volcano answers his summons not out of loyalty, but out of mutual spite for anything soft, fragile, or flammable. Facing Ignahog is to challenge the wrath of the mountain itself. They both decided not to activate this mod for now. Okay. Sacrificial altars. One way to obtain runes is through sacrifice. These altars allow you to offer up resources or donate one of your troops to a lifetime of infernal employment. Yes, inhumane, immoral, eternal burning, we've heard it all. The council insists it's still a smart investment. Okay, let's build the wells. Let's build them over here. I don't want to occupy much space. Wait guys, I need to do something. Or not. Or yes. We need, for the peasant hut, we need wood. And wheat. Okay, let's get an army, the levy barracks, bone pit, basic production, clay mine, prophecy. Whoa, that's really tough. Let's go with Denari, spells, and building. You, and you. Okay, receive troop. Choose reward spell. Let's get a troop. The market is gonna be really helpful to exchange goods. Okay, here it is. The peasant's hut. Small peasant's hut. Peasant's hut. Okay, let's get this one. Denari, nether runes, basic. 3 crystal mines. Let's get iron mine. Iron mine. I need wood to increase that. Let's get the iron mine. Let's sell wheat for gold. I feel like I'm gonna need it. So far so good. Blade Fall. Summon 15 blades to fall on horizontal line. Burst enemies that pass through it. Let's go with that. Summons a stationary unit which casts a falling blade on any unit attacking it. Blade damage 50. Summons an infernal creature. Let's go with the infernal creature. Magic School. Slowly generates basic spells. Sounds good. Okay, let's get more peasants. Okay, that was close. Trees? Let's get trees. I already got plenty. Trader, what can we trade for? Archery, swordsman barracks. Chop chosen tree to get 40 wood per tree. Be careful, there is a 20% set that any given tree will spawn an enemy ant instead. Receive as a pending. Let's get the archery. And swordman barrack. Clay gold mine produces multiple resources at the same time but slower. Damage to the bosses from units is increased by 10%. Receive all basic production buildings. Wheat field, sawmill, iron mine, clay mine. Troops are produced 20% faster. I need this. And that's it. And that is it. Okay, I'm not producing units anymore. Swordman, I need iron and wheat. Levy barracks, let's get madhouse. Basic production. Small wheat field. Artifact. Receive 25 start each wave. Okay, basic construction prophecy. Okay, those optional waves are really powerful, so I don't really want to mess with them. They would give me 50 nether rooms. Let's try. Receive troops. Resources. Troops. Okay. Basic production. Grape bushes, clay mine. I don't have any. Nether runes. Wood, meteorite, half. Claim next. Every 30 wine spent permanently. Okay. What's this? Nether rune enchanter produces nether runes. Basic construction. When this construction has been active for some time, it can be upgraded to a resource building. I need swordmen and archery. But I need iron mines. I don't have iron mines. Madhouse. Okay. Let's go for the madhouse. The Nari spell creates a fissure. Kingdom infrastructure. Buddhist temple doesn't, but has useful passive upgrades. Creates a small resource pack. Does not need to be watched to work. Can produce any resource at random. Fairy fountain. Okay. Will it work? Netherrune spell. Friendly units cannot drop below 1 HP inside this arena. Duration 4 seconds. Calls for a meteorite. Okay. I need resources to make units. Spell. Burn enemies that pass summons. Bursting guys. Golden wheat. Trader. Grants temporary units 50% chance of being resummoned. Damage dealt by spells 25%. Gain 2 wine when you kill an enemy. Yeah, I could work with that. Grants temporary units have 50% chance of being resummoned. This is or reduced. Damage dealt. Oh, let's go with that one. Okay, which building requires a lot of gold? This one. Oh, and increasing the size of it. You require wheat. Okay. Cauldron. Let's upgrade the building. Boost production by 25%. Gold, water, clay. Let's go with gold. Denari, levy barracks. Let's go with hunters. Basic production, clay mine. Established production. Gold mine. Spell. Stuns enemies in an area. Summons a scarecrow that explodes. Increase the production limit for starter buildings by 100%. Receive 5 fireworks upon picking this artifact. prophecy. I don't know, guys. Enemy units, enemy HP, nether rooms, legendary spell, which is rare. Building upgrade, receive resource. Let's go with building upgrade. Increase capacity. Swordsman barracks, increase damage dealt by swordman by 100%. Where do I have more swordmen? Looks like I need help. Nether rooms, levy barracks, archery. Defenses of your choice. Basic production, play mine, confirm, small wheat field, $39.73. This is it. Okay, I'm not very good at this game. Anyway, it's a lot of tries before you get it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out the new update of The King is Watching and my other videos. And stay tuned for more upcoming games and updates in the strategy sphere. Thank you. Bye-bye.